Are you still paying for a second home you barely use? Here's why selling now makes sense. We talk to a lot of homeowners who love their second homes, but life changes. Maybe your family doesn't spend summer at the cabin anymore. Perhaps you're spending more time down south or have already moved there. Meanwhile, you're still paying bills, taxes, and maintenance costs on a home you barely use. What happens if something goes wrong while you're away? Trust me, you don't want to be in that predicament. But how do you sell your second home when you're not even there? Don't worry, we have you covered. Take our recent clients who have this home on Gull Lake. They live hours away that could have been very inconvenient while trying to sell this home. But we took care of everything: photography, signage, marketing, and their home sold less than a week. They never had to come back, never had to stress about paperwork. We handled it all, and we'll do the same for you. If you're on the fence about selling, let's talk. We'll handle the details. You keep living your life. Find out what your second home is worth. Call, text, or visit our website today to get started.